Hello, and welcome to Math 1116, Excursions in Mathematics. This is the first of two introductory lectures that explain the format and purpose of the course. In this lecture, I will tell you about the format. This is a hybrid course, sometimes called a flipped course. This means that the lectures are online, while other aspects of the course are conducted face-to-face in a traditional way. This table shows how various aspects of the course are going to be handled. In the following slides, I'll talk about each of these aspects in turn. Maybe later you will want to return to this slide for reference. Everything is done inside Carmen, which you must already know if you're listening to this lecture. In the Carmen page for the course, you'll find, as it says here, course announcements, the syllabus and schedule, downloadable copies of the course materials, also links to lectures, recitations, and assignments, and your personal grade record. You should watch the lecture videos according to the course schedule before the recitation. Individual lectures are short, between 1 and 25 minutes, but you may be asked to watch 4 or 5 each week. In the first week, you won't have a chance to see them before the recitation, but in general, you should watch them beforehand. My name is Gary Kennedy. I'm a professor of mathematics at Ohio State. This will be your only chance to see my friendly face. Otherwise, I will be a voiceover as you look at the materials in the lecture slides. Links in Carmen will take you to the website hosting the videos. The lecture should start automatically. As I've said, the individual lectures are rather short, never more than 25 minutes. Watch them at your convenience. If you want to repeat some of the lecture, there are controls for stopping and rewinding. I think you can even run me at a faster speed if you find my pace too slow. After watching all the lecture videos for a week-long unit, you will take a brief quiz. The questions are just a basic check, and you can take each quiz repeatedly. There's a textbook for the course, as shown here. It's Excursions in Modern Mathematics by Tannenbaum. You should either buy a hard copy or purchase a code for MyMathLab Access, and that will include a full electronic copy. You don't need to do both. Within the Carmen course pages, you will find links to the relevant sections of the textbook. You are registered in a weekly face-to-face recitation. Your recitation instructor is also your point of contact for assignments and exams. You'll take your 2 midterm exams in your recitation room at your scheduled recitation time. The first midterm exam comes after Unit 5. To prepare for the weekly recitation, download the recitation handout. You don't need to work on or study the handout before recitation. Just be sure to bring it to recitation. Also bring any other specified materials. When you attend the first recitation, your recitation instructor will assign you to a small group. The members of this group will be your partners throughout the semester. Recitation work will always be done in groups. Your group will be asked to come up with satisfactory solutions together. If a solution is correct, all members of the group will receive credit. Of course, absent members will receive no credit. These points count toward your final grade. The course instructors will announce office hours and contact information. You are welcome to visit them in office hours, to send them email messages, or to call them. Assignments will be made available on the Carmen page for the course. These are traditional paper and pencil assignments. They don't use the MyMathLab system. You must hand in your solutions at your recitation. The due dates are given in the course schedule, but the general rule is very simple. You should hand in the completed assignment for, say, Unit 3 the following week when you come to the recitation for Unit 4. As I've said, the midterm exams will be conducted during recitation on the 2 dates listed in the schedule. There's also a final exam for the course. It's a comprehensive exam covering all of the course material. The date, time, and location of the final exam will be announced. There's another shorter introductory lecture to follow this. It's called Part 2.